The Society for Human Rights was founded by Henry Gerber in 1924 and is the oldest first gay rights organization in the United States. The organization was able to publish the first publication for homosexuals called Freedom and Friendship. However, it did not last very long because of political pressures. In Nazi Germany, gays were discriminated against based on the idea that they threatened the disciplined masculinity of Germany. 100,000 men were arrested for homosexuality whether or not they really were. The first rainbow gay pride flag first appeared in 1978 San Francisco Gay and Lesbian Freedom Day. The original flag had 8 stripes that each symbolized a different part of the homosexual culture. However, it is now 6 stripes, excluding sexuality and magic from the flag's symbolism. Here you can see that there are 8 different components of gay pride that originally were there, and then they eventually changed it to 6 stripes. Civil union is defined as a registered partnership. This allows gay couples to be reciprocal beneficiaries, so they have similar rights to married couples. However, they are not recognized by the Defense of Marriage Act. Domestic partnerships are formed between 2 adults who choose to live together and be in a committed relationship. Some states, such as Wisconsin and New Jersey, allow benefits for those in a domestic partnership if they register within the state. Some states, more recently, have even consented to marriage of the same-sex couples. This map shows each of the states that have committed to having same-sex married couples in their states, as well as different civil union states and those with domestic partnership with beneficiaries. We decided to focus on LGBT relationships in small-town Indiana because there is a serious lack in acceptance in these areas. Whereas some bigger cities have many activists to guide the public opinion, rural towns are not as influenced. They instead may be prejudiced towards LGBT from personal experience or while growing up. This has a large impact on how people treat each other. Because of this, we decided to go into the community and help people understand why LGBT people are no different from each of us. We chose the movie Brokeback Mountain because it takes place in a rural part of America, and we can relate a lot to how much little diversity that the small town has and the experience of discrimination. Though the movie takes place out west rather than in Indiana like we are, each of us lives near rural farming communities. We do not have much diversity, which promotes discrimination through lack of knowledge and about different cultures and people. I know here in Oberfeld, people are not as accepting of homosexuality, so many kids do not share their preferences as much like in the movie.